Hi guys, so I'm going to show you how to do a couple of things with arithmetic sequences, and this is going to help you on your assignment that you have this week. So there's three things that you're going to do with the arithmetic sequence, okay? The first thing is you're going to identify the common difference, which is your D value, okay? Common difference, D. Once you find your D, okay, then you're going to write your equation using the arithmetic sequence equation that's given here, okay? Then you're going to find the indicated term, a sub n. Now, n is going to be replaced by a number here, so that means you're going to find whatever that term is within the sequence. So let's look at our first example here, okay? So we have, okay, 10, 7, 4. And the numbers look like they're going down, okay? So the first thing we need to do is we need to find our common difference, D. What is the pattern from 10 to 7, 7 to 4? What's happening? 10 to 7, 7 to 4. Well, that's going down by -3, okay? They're the same, so your common difference is -3. So you need the 3. Okay, the -3. Now, okay, you also need to identify your first term in the sequence. Your first term in the sequence is 10. Okay, 7 would be your second term, 4 would be your third term. So 10, a sub 1 is 10. These are the two things you need in order to use the formula to find the equation. Okay, so now that we have the two things that we need to find the equation, we're going to write our equation formula down. A sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 d. Okay, so now we're just going to plug in the d value and the a sub 1 value into the formula. So we have a sub n equals 10 plus n minus 1 times -3. Now I know this looks funny, and you would normally want the -3 over here in front of this parenthesis, but you're just doing the distributive property, okay? So you're distributing this -3 into the parentheses here. A sub n equals 10 plus, well, I should actually say minus. You want to know why I'm going to say minus? Because this -3 is going to be in front of the n, so minus 3n plus 3. 3 times -1 gives you +3 here. So now all you have to do is combine your like terms here. A sub n equals -3n plus 13. And that's your equation. Then it's done. So the first step, you found the common difference, you found the equation. Now we need to find the 21st term. So we're using our formula, a sub 20 equals -3 times 21 plus 13. So now a sub 21 equals, what's -3 times 21? -63 plus 13. A sub 21 equals -50. So the 21st term in this sequence is -50. Okay, let's do another. So now we have a new sequence. It goes from 5 to 9, 9 to 13. So it looks like the sequence is going up. So that means we're going to be adding a number in some way. And that would be by adding 4. Okay, so your D, your common difference, is +4. You also need your a sub 1, which means your first term in the sequence, which is 5. These are the two pieces you need for your formula. So you have a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Now what you're going to do is you're going to plug in your d and your a sub 1 into the formula. A sub n equals 5 plus n minus 1 times 4. And from here we're going to distribute the 4 to the inside the parentheses. So we have a sub n equals 5 plus 4n minus 4. Combine your like terms and you get a sub n equals 4n plus 1, I believe. 4n plus 1. So there's your formula. Now you're going to use that formula to find the 15th term of this sequence. So a sub 15 equals 4 times 15 plus 1. A sub 15 equals 60 plus 1. A sub 15 equals 61. So the 15th term in this arithmetic sequence is 61. Okay? And we have one more to do. Now we're going to throw some negatives here. So we have from 2 to negative 3, from negative 3 to negative 8. That means we're subtracting by 5. Okay? So that also means our common difference D is negative 5, and we need our a sub 1, which is, what's the first term? Positive 2. 2 pieces right here. Okay, so now we have to write down our formula. A sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times D. So now let's plug our D and our a sub 1 into the formula. A sub n equals 2 plus n minus 1 times negative 5. And we're going to distribute this negative 5 into the parentheses. So we get a sub n equals 2 minus 5n plus 5. Combine your like terms and you get a sub n equals negative 5n plus 7. So now that we've found our formula, we need to find what is the 32nd term in this sequence. So we're going to do a sub 32 and plug it in for n. And we have to calculate what is negative 5 times 32, which gives me negative 160 plus 7. And then we have a sub 32 equals negative 153. So the 32nd term of this sequence is negative 153. And that's it.